Hi, and welcome to Miss Matthews' Littlest Classroom. Let's learn how we can do our part and reduce the spread of viruses and prevent infections by learning how to use hand sanitizer. Using hand sanitizer is a good alternative when hand washing is not an option, except when hands are visibly dirty and after using the bathroom. Then hand washing is required. A good hand sanitizer will contain at least 60% alcohol. Our first step is to use enough hand sanitizer to cover both hands. Step 2. Begin by rubbing your hands palm to palm like this. Step 3. Flip your hand over and rub the back of your hands with your fingers interlaced. Do this for both hands. Step 4. Next, let's rub them palm to palm again with our fingers interlaced this time. Step 5. Sanitize the back of our fingers like this. Step 6. Twist your thumbs in clasped hands. Step 7. Rub your fingertips in your palms in a circular motion. Step 8. Continue to rub your hands until the hand sanitizer has dried. Step 9. And this is the hardest part. No touchy-touchy. Avoid touching things, particularly your face, mouth, and eyes. And that's it. Thanks for tuning in today. Remember to like and subscribe so you'll be notified when I upload my next video. Make good choices.